welcome to the NOLA Stampings Marker Minute, where I'm going to show you how to color the reindeer like that. So I stamped this reindeer. It's from the Close to My Heart Snowflake Kisses stamp set that's out in the November 2021 catalog. So in the beginning it always looks a little rough, so it's kind of like contouring. So we put the pink cheeks on there, and then earth brown, the darkest color, and now we're just going to go over it with the gold brown, the medium and the light. And the more layers you put on it, like the better it sort of blends together. That's with all alcohol markers, like they just sort of take in a better shading the more layers you add onto them. So you want to add like the dark colors first, so like where the shadows would be and where like the cheeks are and stuff, and then try and work around to the center of the face, because the center of the face is where the most light is. So that's what I did using the gold brown and the earth brown colors. So now we're just gonna fill in the hat and the scarf with the dark red blend, and it's the same thing. Like we're gonna go in and add the shadows with that dark side of the TriBlend marker, and then add some darkness through the center. And it always looks a little sketchy like in the beginning, and I'm always like, oh no, it's not gonna work out, but then it ends up working out, because the more the layers that you put on, the better it ends up looking. So I'm just going through, and here's the medium. So I'm just keeping the light to the top, and then here you'll see I made a little mistake. I'm leaving it in so I can show you what I do to fix it. And you don't even notice it on the final product. So now we're going to go in with the antlers with the tan. So it's the light and the medium sides of the tan. So I filled everything in with the light color, and then I'm going in and just adding dark on the bottom parts of some of the antlers. So just, so that's a different color brown. So here's where we fix it. I'm just taking that gold brown that we used for all the shadows and stuff, and you just scribble over where the little marker was. And it just sort of erases it up. So you end up not seeing it at all on the final product. So now I'm going to take the Alpine green. I really love that green color, especially for Christmas. So I'm just going to fill in the hat using the shadows at the bottom. And then for the little nose, Carnation liquid pearls to give it a red Christmas nose. Now I'm taking my white gel pen. I'm using the 08, and I'm just adding in some little highlights just to make it stand out just a little bit. So a bunch on the antlers, and then a few on my little reindeer and on the hat and the clothes. And we are finished. Here's my finished product. I used it on a slimline card, and I think it came out fantastic. So check back next week for another quick tutorial, and stay crafty.